We had an accident. I don't know yet exactly what happened, but you see the right wheel is completely bended. So either the aluminium cracked or one of the screws got torn out. So yeah, I will disassemble it and look what happened. Yeah, okay, so the aluminium cracked. Yeah, I cut away this part so that the tires would fit, and well, I think this was structural, so yeah, it cracked when I drove, not when my children drove it. So yeah, I have to figure out how to improve this. I think the easiest way would be to make a steel bar going right under these brackets over to there. Okay, so let's unmount everything. Yeah, we can see pretty clearly where it cracked. So I will try to bend it back and yeah, then figure out how to mount some sort of steel bar here, but it shouldn't be a big problem. Yeah, you can see the crack pretty good. It's around here and here. So everything is installed, connecting the battery. Okay. Now push the power button. Okay, so the next thing is that I want to move this seat back, because even for my children it's too far forward. So let's see what we can do here. Yeah, upgrades completed, looks a lot better, so let's test it out.
Ooh, let's try it out.